been in a lot of places. Now, I hope he just doesn't jump at me.
All right, so I gotta vent the hot water heater. My original vent spot failed. Didn't work. Too many water lines. The insulation pushed the water lines in spots that I really don't know. Last time I drilled through where a water line wasn't supposed to be, I hit the water line insulation and pulled it over. Three-quarters.
Okay, let's see if it fits. Yep, it's perfect.
Perfect.
Good job. Yep, it's in there.
Yeah, see, that's what it said. Gotta move it just over a pinch. Great. Oh, see some water in the line.
Well, at least it didn't splash all over the place.
All right, we have hot water. We thought we could finally use our soaking tub until we found a leak.
Ultimately, I'm removing where I'm putting the filters. The filters were ahead of the motor and was causing the motor to chatter. Cut on, cut off, cut on, cut off. The resistance in the filter was making the motor think that it was pulling water from a further distance, and it was causing it to trip. So we're going to remove the filters. We're going to put them after the pressure tank. So the motor shouldn't have to worry about that, and the water will still be clean before it gets into the house.
That's just what was left in the line.
Success! We've got hot water. But we don't want to waste all of this precious rainwater. Remember, we are off-grid and it's really our only source. So to conserve it, we've got to put it all back. Now that everything is working, we just need a little privacy, so we're putting up a barn door.
Looks so nice. This is the barn door that I put together all by myself.
With help from me?
No! You don't get to put a couple of nails and screws in and claim it.
Well, we was playing
That
for
looks
the World,
really nice.
If we was playing for the World Series and I hit a home run.
No, we're not doing that right now. No,
and
no, no,
our
no,
team
not the
scored some
same.
points,
No,
I contribute. I contribute.
no.
One screw.
I appreciate your support, but I built this barn
I'll
door.
put that one in.
I will give you that, thanks.
Just cruise around.
You think you cool because of your scientific calculator?
It's going down. Down, folks.
Echo got locked in. It's okay, Echo.
I don't have to feel it.
Well, now that the inside is looking good, it's time to focus on the outside.
How did he get in there? And if he was a baby, how did he live? Thanks for taking this off-grid journey with us. Like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when we release more videos. In the meantime, check out our website, greendesert.org, for all sorts of self-sufficiency tips, including a whole page on natural remedies. We also save all of our GMO-free seeds from our garden, and what we don't use or donate, we offer on our Etsy shop. So check that out too.